Okay, so today we have the 2006 BMW 330i with the Sport Package 6-speed manual transmission. Starts up with no problems. Vehicle has 102,000 miles. Passenger windows are one touch down and one touch go back up. Same with the rear window here, one touch from the master switch. So all the windows work. Over here, a little chip in the paint. Right on the bumper here, you can see some minor scratches. A few road chips. Some light scratching in this area. See some of the paint's chipped on the bottom here. Some light scratching on the bumper here. Over here as well. Another light scratch right here. Up here on the roof, you can see some of the clear is chipping. Also, the emissions and inspection is good until January 2019 out of the state of Pennsylvania. You can see over here on the hood a little bit of paint fail right here. Also a little bit of a paint chip on the door handle. Nice clean trunk. good amount of cargo space. Back seats, very good condition. Nice and clean. Take another quick look. Passenger seat, very good condition. Also, there's an extended out piece here. Excuse me. Okay, so the passenger seat works. Up, down, forward, back, and the tilt. The driver's seat, good condition. Okay, yep. And just like the passenger seat, you have this part that pops out. Alright, now we'll do a lights check. Also, as I check the light, go around, check the lights, I have this tool right here. That's going to measure the tire tread. It's going to measures it in 30 seconds of an inch. So this front tire is going to be at 10/30 seconds of an inch. We have our running lights. Now it's on. So once again, we have our headlights, right turn signal, side right turn, rear running lights and the right turn signal. Forget if I check this one or not. Let's check it again, just in case. This tire is going to be at 10/32 of an inch. This tire has a little bit less, 9/32. And this tire is going to have 7/32 of tread. Let's see, side left turn. Front left turn. We also have the rear left turn. Okay, let's put on the AC. As we wait for the AC to start getting cold, let's check the radio. That's not a station. Works. AC is blowing out cold. Feels like it's still getting colder. Let's check the heat now. This also is a dual air control, so your passenger can have a different temperature setting. And it is blowing out hot. We're just gonna turn that off. Okay. We're now ready for our test drive. No problems with reverse. About that beeping that you hear, that's the car's yelling at me because I am not buckled in. So the vehicle has very good acceleration, definitely no problems getting up to speed. feels really good. So we go over the bumps in the road. It's a very comfortable ride. Okay. Alright, so we have just one last thing to show you. Nice clean engine bay. Engine's running nice and smooth, it's quiet. Okay, so that was the 2006 BMW 330i. I hope this video has answered any questions you have about the vehicle. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also you can click that bell to receive notifications every time we post a car in the future. Also, you can check the description below for a link to our website where you can view the rest of our inventory. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.